when I was little, I watched the Godzilla cartoons and I thought it was the coolest thing ever.
I think I saw the original Godzilla when I was about 15.
I used to see Godzilla like late night TV.
They show the Godzilla and you get the roar and the screen shaking. That's like, okay, this movie's gonna be awesome.
I love the new film. Loved it.
I think it was the perfect version of the old meets the new, so I loved it. I saw it 3 times.
Pretty much all the fighting scenes are my favorite scenes.
Yes, there he is, let's do it.
My favorite scene was him first using his atomic breath.
When he used the blue fire breath thingy.
When his spikes glowed and he shot his breath.
Godzilla grabs the one monster's head and pulls it open and then blows the fire right down his throat.
Rips his mouth open and just throws a flame in his mouth and just tears him up.
When you finally saw the whole thing in one continuous shot, that was great scene.
Ken Watanabe saying, "Oh, it's Gajira!"
That guy, that roar right there, that's it right there. That is the roar. I can't top that. That's the roar.
If you have not seen this movie, Godzilla fans, shame on you. Watch it, buy it, watch it again.